In this video, I'm going to show you how to stay signed into Google Chrome by turning on Chrome Sign-In. This is a quick and useful setting if you want Chrome to keep your profile connected to your Google account, so your browsing experience stays synced and consistent across devices. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where most of Chrome's important settings are located. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Now that you're on the Settings page, look at the left-hand menu and click You and Google. This section controls your Chrome profile, account connection, and sync options. If you want Chrome to stay signed in properly, this is the area you need to be in. Next, click Sync and Google Services. This will take you to the settings that manage how Chrome works with your Google account. Here, you'll see several options related to syncing, sign-in behavior, and other Google services. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Other Google Services. In this section, look for the option called Allow Chrome Sign-In. If it is turned off, Chrome may not stay linked to your Google account the way you want it to. To fix that, simply toggle Allow Chrome Sign-In to on. Once this setting is enabled, Chrome will be allowed to keep your profile connected to your Google account, making it easier to stay signed in and maintain your browsing setup. Depending on your account and device settings, this can help you avoid being signed out unexpectedly and keep your Chrome experience more seamless. If you don't see the setting right away, take your time and scroll through the page carefully. Chrome settings can sometimes move around depending on the version you're using, but the path is still the same. Settings, You and Google, Sync and Google Services, and then Allow Chrome Sign-In under Other Google Services. And that's it. You've now enabled Chrome Sign-In and set up Google Chrome to stay signed in more reliably. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials and helpful browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.